find this option is much neater, and I find it just looks really messy on the outside of the room. So yeah, just doing the exact same thing on the inside. So I find this is a brilliant product for my needs. The only downside I find is the noise from opening and closing it. So I have easily remedied this by just using the door closer during the day and then just taking the wire off the hinge during the night. If you are interested in the door closer that I have shown in this video, the link will be in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video.